Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to align right. So for example, I will create a paragraph. This is a paragraph to right. You can click File, Save, and then open in browser. So if you want to move this paragraph to the right, you can add for the style aligns attribute. You can type style and set for text align, set to right. After it, you can click File, Save, and then you can preview in browser. The paragraph will be moved to the right. Okay, you also can change that, like I will set to left. You can click here, set left, and the paragraph will be moved to the left. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to align right.